Hi folks, this is Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of ClickKosh, which launched today, the 21st of January. In this review video, I'll be going through the product and telling you exactly what it does, what my recommendations are for the product, and I'll also be going through my exclusive bonuses. I'm offering 12 bonuses in total on this product, only 2 of which are standard bonuses available with the product itself. The other 10 are all exclusively available from me, and you only get them by clicking on the button underneath and ordering. You can, of course, have a look elsewhere, see what other bonuses are available, but you are always free to come back if you feel that mine are better than other people's. So, what is ClickKosh? Well, it's quite a straightforward concept, this one, although I would urge you to watch the videos in full because it is a very visual product. It's a way to convert any static image into an interactive image for more leads and sales using point and click technology. Yeah, it's very, very straightforward to set up and use, and you will see some results in a minute which show you how interactive it is. So this is the product. It's ClickKosh. As you can see, this is my special bonus page that you will come to. That is me, Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers Group. You can create up to 9 different types of hotspots. Yeah, that's what they're called, to visually entice visitors to take action on any of your pages, any of your funnel pages, any of your delivery pages, any of your sales pages, whatever you're using. You simply choose an image, add a hotspot to it, and stand out from the crowd. Let me show you sort of thing that I'm talking about here. Let's say you were like promoting a salon, yeah. This is a standard image here on the left, yeah. And these are the hotspots that we've added that are calls to action. First therapy free by clicking that. This one's got a phone one. Their special offers 12 types of therapies. All right. Now, obviously, in the internet marketing, make money online niche, the things that you're offering can be slightly different, but you get the picture. Look how different it is. Okay, nice plate of food there. Great, great stuff. Yeah. Love food. Can't you tell? Yeah. Let's click some buttons there. Oh, look at that. Makes a noise as well. Healthy snack, free salad on your first order. Yeah, I need one of those. Yeah. This looks more like it. What have we got here? Delicious food. Yeah. You can exactly make this. Yeah, well, okay. Let's watch a video. Yeah, watch a video about showing how they make the food. Get 10 recipes free every month. Look at that for a funnel, folks, eh? They haven't just thrown this stuff together, have they? All right, another one here. Dangerous clicking on there. Styled Buzz denim offer. I wonder what was going to happen there. And what have we got underneath here? Oh, some shoes. What's going to happen there? Stylish shoes. Yeah, well, if you like that sort of thing, I guess. Nice pair of sunglasses. Hello, boys. New stock added. Okay, and what if we click on this aeroplane? A video about traveling, yeah? So what's more interesting, guys, is a no-brainer, isn't it? You know, if you've got this sort of stuff going on your images with calls to action, 330% more engagement, I would have thought it's going to be at least that, isn't it? It's going to be at least that. So there we are, ClickKosh 2.0, monetize your images with one of its kind breakthrough point and click interactive image suite. Very easy to use. This one sort of, if you're into this sort of stuff, you know, the visual aspect of this sells itself, doesn't it, really, without me having to tell you. You can just see from those interactive images that I've just shown you, and I'd encourage you to, as I said, to watch this demo here. ClickKosh lets you dominate in 3 simple steps. See it in action. It's 9 minutes long. Yeah, it's not a huge amount of your time to see the product in full flow and to do it justice. They've got a challenge for you. Create a compelling visual profit machine in 60 seconds. That was tough to say. All right. By the way, at any time you can click these blue buttons on my bonus page, and they will take you through to the main sales page where you can order ClickKosh. But let me show you why you should take it from me. Okay, so these first two are bonuses that everyone gets, yeah? So it's an early bird bonus number 1, which is advanced ClickKosh training. The software developers and makers are hosting a special webinar for all ClickKosh customers on, it's not the 5th of January, it's a different date. Excuse that, yeah. It's a new date. They were going to launch this earlier, but they've only just launched it today. So you will get the date. And in the webinar, they're going to show you exactly how to turn your boring pictures into a new sales channel. Early bird bonus number 2, the 7 Figures Facebook VIP group. You can get in touch with masters of traffic and conversions, experts in the area who will share their knowledge, current trends and secrets to boost results only in this VIP mastermind group. It's a secret Facebook group. And now we move on to my bonuses. Meme Treasure, 300 plus base viral memes to help you create unlimited memes to share. All the rage at the moment, folks, you know. Early bird bonus number 4 is Viral Soci Spy. Search Facebook for viral images and selected hot websites with options to time and relevance. My next one is Insta Image Jacker. It's my bonus number 5. My third exclusive one. This tool helps in downloading Instagram images and videos. Another Facebook product. My bonus number 6, learn how to find your target audience with Facebook ads. Up-to-date information in that. These are all current products. Bonus 7, finding images. Learn the secret of finding great images. Bonus number 8, blog posts that sell. You can never have too much advice on blogs. Sales letter anatomy is my bonus number 9. Learn what a hybrid long-form sales letter is and how it's proven to convert a lot better than regular long-form sales letters. Don't know if you know the sort of thing that we're talking about here is where you get an HTML email that's really long in your emails, which is basically a long sales pitch, you know, in an email, but it's, you know, illustrated well with HTML. I get a few of them. Sometimes they work. I have to say I've bought off a few of them, but there's a better way of doing it. All right. Number 10, 5 keys to branding. Building a business requires an audience, and obviously building an audience requires a strategy. So there's number 11, the viral bonus. Getting potential customers to bring more potential customers is what's going to create a viral effect with your bonuses. We cover why it's important to create bonuses when you're promoting a product like I'm doing here. Yes, it's very, very important to give stuff away that makes you stand out from the crowd when you are selling things, because if you just market your product or try and sell a product as an affiliate just with the normal built-in bonuses, then why should they buy from you over and above anyone else unless they really know you and trust you? But then even in that case, why wouldn't you want to give them a little bit extra for their loyalty? And number 12, Max-a-Page Profits Elite Training on how to grow 100,000 Facebook fans traffic in any niche. That's a very useful one. So, as I said, after you have looked at all of these, you simply click on one of these blue buttons and you will see what happens, hopefully. There we go. So we go back to the main sales page.
Grabbing someone's attention.
The video is going to start playing. And then you can scroll down here and see some more information. It's pretty similar to the info on my own bonus page, I have to say. There's those same images that we looked at earlier. We go right to the bottom here. I just want to show you, by the way, that, as I said, this is the standard sales page, and you will see as we come down here that, where are they? There you go. Just those 2 bonuses. They're the standard bonuses. So 10 extra. So you can either have a 3 domains license for ClickKosh for $27 or a 10 domains license for $29. Which one do you think I'm going to suggest you go for? Duh. Okay, yes, it is indeed. $29, 10 domains. Why would you not pay an extra $2 to get 7 more? 93% bought it. I'd like to speak to the 7% that didn't. I have to say, I would like to have a conversation with those people to see why they decided that they would not pay $2 more for 7 more images. And let's just have a quick look. Oh, that's a different, somewhere here I've got the funnel. I know, there we go. Our proven sales funnel. Okay. So front end, obviously I'm suggesting you take that, and I'm suggesting you take the 10 images. The upsell number 1, which will cost you 37 at the moment. It's just launch price. There's no downsells on these, or if there is, I don't know about them. You can take a risk and go for a downsell, but I haven't been told that there are any. Upsell 1, you get interactive shoppable catalogs, interactive shoppable e-magazines, interactive shoppable brochures. You get a commercial license. You can add a logo watermark, Adobe image editor, and local business case study, and 100 more presets. Number 2, which they're called, that one's called ClickKosh Pro. ClickKosh Extreme costs another 47. You get animation on hover with that. You get unlimited domains, an outsourcer license, unlimited e-magazines, brochures and catalogs. And the last one is a reseller. If you're into that, that will cost you another 97 at the moment. Have a look, folks. See what you like the look of in the upsells. It's all good stuff. Yeah. I'm recommending obviously that you take that front end with the extras for 29. Other than that, depends what your individual uses are. You all know what sort of sites you've got out there, what sort of sales pages you're going to be using this on, so you know whether you need the extra stuff or not. It's all good stuff. So, I would say that, you know, if you can afford to take it and you need it, then do take it. And that is really it. So the key points to remember, as I said, click on my bonus page or any of the blue buttons. That will take you through to this one. Make sure you do it before the special pricing expires. You've got a good few hours yet if you're getting this on launch day. And it's a very good product indeed. And that is my review by Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers Group of ClickKosh. And thank you as ever for watching and listening. I'll speak to you soon.